Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Trust Wallet in CEPEN. We'll walk through the simple steps to link your Trust Wallet to the CEPEN application, ensuring you're ready for any token distributions. It's important to have the latest version of your CEPEN app and understand that we'll be using your Binance Smart Chain address for this secure connection. Let's get started with the first step. Before connecting, let's prepare your Trust Wallet. First, open the Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once inside, find and select the BNB Smart Chain asset, which is crucial for this connection. Next, tap on the Receive button to display your unique wallet address. Finally, carefully copy this Binance Smart Chain wallet address. You'll need it for the next step in the CEPEN app. Now let's move to the CEPEN application. Open the CEPEN app on your device. From the main menu, typically located at the top left, select the Wallet option. Here, you will find a field to enter your wallet address. Carefully paste the Binance Smart Chain address you copied from Trust Wallet into this field. After pasting, confirm the address and then tap the Save Address button to complete the linking process. After saving, it's essential to verify your connection. Return to the Wallet section within the CEPEN app and double-check that the displayed address perfectly matches your Binance Smart Chain address from Trust Wallet. Remember, always use a self-custodial wallet, such as Trust Wallet or MetaMask, for this process. Never use addresses from centralized exchanges, as this could lead to permanent loss of your tokens. Congratulations, your wallet should now be connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.